What's up, guys? It's Barbie. Make sure to give this channel a huge thumbs up and subscribe. And today we are moving and we need some help getting all the furniture and getting ready. I'm gonna call someone. Skipper? Stacy, can you call someone? Yeah, I'll go in the bed and call Harper. Harper? Can you help us get the furniture and get the house ready? Yeah, I'm on my way. 5 minutes later. I am here, so today the Barbies need help getting their new house set up. So let's get them off and let's get started. So first, we have to get all the beds ready. So first, let's get down this bed. Pick it up and get down that. And we have that ready. So now, we want to get our little table. First get the stairs. So let's put their little table here. And some chairs. Let's get some chairs. In the Barbie family, you can find this dollhouse online. I don't know what store it's from, but you can find it, parents. It's like a great Christmas gift. So now let's get like all the plates on the table. We have 4 miniature little plates. Let's get our 4 miniature plates. Where are our 4 miniature plates? Oh, I have 3. One's already on the table. So here are the miniature plates. Let's put the rest on the table. This Barbie family is really cool. It is the Roberts family. So, yeah. And since it's snack time, we're going to put some popcorn up on the table. And now let's get the bedroom set up. So this, it's supposed to sleep for. It sleeps Chelsea, Skipper, Barbie, and Stacy's on here. So let's get her sleeping bag down there. This sleeps 4, so it fits the whole family without the mom and dad, because the mom and dad don't live in the dream house. Now, let us set up here. So here it's really only like a couch. So that's already done. And let me show you something cool, guys. You can flip this. I usually prefer this because it's really cool. So now let's get in here set up. So we want so it comes with some Barbie food, but not much. So like it comes with this cute little egg pan, heart-shaped eggs that I'm just gonna put the thing on the stove because we don't have any like storage for anything. Now we are going to put some orange juice. We have a little cute bottle of orange juice that we will put in the refrigerator. I don't know why there's so much shelves for barely any food. Okay, so now let's put like the cups somewhere. We have 2 little cups. I think they should go here, but you can put them really like anywhere you want, anywhere you would like. Like some people like want to put them at the table or there. So now, wait, no, we still have some more stuff for the they provide like a little pan of cookies or muffins. I don't know if that's muffins. Put that in the comment below if it is muffins or cookies. Okay, so let's open up. Let's put the pan in there because there's no storage. And we're done with food. I'm going to get the blender. That does not go in the kitchen, so we're working on something else. So here we have a cute little blender. You can actually use the cup. It comes off, and you can open it up and like put clay in there. I put chocolate colors clay to make it look like there was stuff in it. It's very easy to come out, so it works very easily. You just like, it looks very good over here on this. So that's where we're going to put it. Now let's work on the bathroom. This can move. So in here, with these two empty ones, you want to put this in that part of it. Wait, I forgot to show you what this was. This is like a little foot massager. And now we are going to put our brush and hanger in this big storage space for some storage. And if it doesn't close, we're going to put the... Perfect. So we're done with that. Now we're going to get our little toilet, a cute little blue toilet, and put it here. This is a shower, so we're just going to remove the thing there. Now for the Roberts, we're going to put their little game table somewhere. The game table we'll put here. And it comes with a cute little checker game. Don't act like I just cut that out because actually I just found one more thing for the bathroom. A blow dryer goes there. And now we just have a grill. Now time for the family to come see it. I'm going to call them and tell them it's ready. It's ready. Let's all go. Everyone, try out your beds. And guys, you know, that's mixed up, but okay. Okay. The Roberts family says bye. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn location. See you guys later. Peace out.